Now I am going to explain target sums for elimination method. Already I explained third sum from do this. The remaining two, first one and second one, I am going to explain now. All of you, once you observe on board over here. Do this. Solve each of the following pair of linear equations by elimination method. Target sums I am going to explain first one and second one. Here the question is first one. What is the question over here? 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. So these two linear equations I am going to solve by elimination method. Now you observe the solution over here. I am going to start solution over here. So whenever we are going to start the solution, already you know, given linear equations. Given linear equations. What are the given linear equations? 8x plus 5y is equal to 9, equation number 1 I am going to write. 3x plus 2y is equal to 4, that is equation number 2. So after writing this one, what I am going to do here? Now to solve the given linear equations. Given linear equations by elimination method. That is what? X is equal to question mark and y is equal to question mark. Elimination is nothing but one of the variable we have to eliminate over here. Whatever you eliminate, x variable or y variable. If you like to eliminate x variable, you do LCM of coefficients of x. If you like to eliminate y variable, you have to do LCM of coefficients of y. Now, in this sum, now I am going to eliminate y variable y. When I am doing to eliminate variable y, I am going to do LCM of coefficients of y. Now you observe what is the coefficients of y over here? 5 and 2. What is the LCM of 5 and 2? What is the LCM of 5 and 2 over here? 5 2s are 10 is the LCM. For getting 10, what should we multiply with 5? 2 we have to multiply. That means 2 into equation number 1. For getting 10, what we have to multiply with 2? We have to multiply with 5. So, what I am going to do here, 2 into equation number 1, I am going to do subtraction over here. Why? Because all are plus symbols only here. Minus 5 into equation number 2. 5 into equation number 2. Once you observe over here, all of you, 2 into equation number 1. 2 into 8x. 2 eggs are 16x plus 2 into 5y. 2 5s are 10. 10y is equal to 2 into 9. 2 9s are 18. Okay. Next equation number 2. 5 into 3x. 15x plus 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10y is equal to 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. This one what I am going to do over here? I am going to do subtraction. Whenever we are going to do subtraction, here symbols we are going to change over here. Before 15, nothing is there, is plus. Plus means minus. Here, plus is there, it will be minus. Before 20, nothing is there, plus symbol. Plus symbol means minus. So, when we are doing subtraction over here, plus 10y minus 10y gets cancellation over here. We eliminated y. So, after that, what is the balance over here? 16x minus 15x. 16x minus 15x, what will happen? X is equal to 18 minus 20. 18 minus 20 minus 2. So what we got the value? X is equal to minus 2. After getting the value x, now substitute the value of x in any one of the equation. Equation number 1 or equation number 2. So now I am going to substitute x is equal to minus 2 in equation number 2 I am doing. Where I am substituting? I am substituting in equation number 2. So 3 into minus 2 plus 2 into y, 3 into minus 2 plus 2 into y is equal to 4. 3 to the how much? 6. Minus 6. Product of one positive integer and one negative integer, we get negative integer. So minus 6 plus 2y is equal to 4. Minus 6 I am sending this side, or add 6 or both sides. Whatever you do, no problem at all. So 2y is equal to 4 plus 6. 2y is equal to 6 plus 4, 10 we got. 2 when we are sending this side, what will happen over here? 10 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 fives are. So what is the value of y over here? 5. So the value of x is minus 2 and the value of y is 5. So x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 5 are the solution for the given linear equations. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5 are the solution for given linear equations. So now which one is over? First one is over. What is the balance over here? Question 1. So once you observe question number 2 over here, only I am going to explain question number 2. Once observe the question over here. So what is the question over here? 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. So these two linear equations, how am I solving over here? By elimination method. So once you observe, I am going to start the solution over here. Here only. I am going to start the solution over here only. So once you see the solution over here. When we start the solution, we have to write given parts. So what is given part over here? Given linear equations. What are given linear equations? 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. That one equation number 1 I am going to take. 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. Equation number 2 I am taking. So what we have to do now to solve the given linear equations by elimination method. Elimination method. That is what x is equal to question mark and y is equal to question mark. So for eliminating any one of the variable, we have to equalize the coefficients. In this sum also, I am going to take any one of the variable over here. I am going to cancel x, just like x I am going to take over here. So now we observe, when we are eliminating the variables x, what we have to do? We have to equalize the coefficients of x over here. What are that? LCM. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So what we have to do over here? For getting 4, what we have to multiply to 2 over here? 2. 2 2s are 4. So 2 into equation number 1 we have to do. Here all are having plus symbols only, we have to do subtraction. So for 4, what we have to multiply? 1 we have to multiply. For getting 4, what we have to multiply to 4? We have to multiply 1. Now, what I am going to do over here, 2 into equation number 1 minus 1 into equation number 2. Once you observe, 2 into 2, 4x plus 2 into 3, 6y is equal to 2 into 8, 16. After that, equation number 1, I multiply with 2. Then next to equation number 2, what should I do? I have to multiply with 1. 1 into 4x. 4x plus 1 into 6y. 6y is equal to 1 into 7. 7. These two what I am going to do over here? I am going to do subtraction. So now, whenever we are doing subtraction, we have to change the symbols over here. Before 4, nothing is there, means plus. Here it will be minus. before 6y, the symbol is there minus. Before 7, nothing is there, means plus it will be minus. So here 4x, what I am going to cancel over here, I like to eliminate x variables. So 4x minus 4x, if you cancel this one, we are getting 0 over here. Here y terms you go, here plus 6y minus 6y. Here also it is going to cancel. Here also it is going to cancel. Plus 6y minus 6y gets cancellation 0. 16 minus 7, 8 we are getting. So whenever we are getting both the terms cancellation like this, so the given two linear equations has no solution. The two linear equations are makes parallel lines. So what we have to do over here? Therefore, given linear equations has no solution. No solution. And they are parallel lines. So now question number 2 is over. We completed our target sums also.